Hey you guys, so happy new year. Welcome to 2018. Now I know I usually show you guys through slow-mos with the music in the beginning and the intro, but I definitely wanted to talk in this intro because I cannot get enough of this texture hair. In this hair, I will give you guys all the details in just a minute, but I definitely want to pop in and just share with you that I will have discount codes for you guys to use if you want to purchase this hair. Look at how effortless, like this hair is not glued on. I do not have it adhered to my head, no tape, no anything, and I did not pluck this unit, and I do not have any baby hairs out. So if you want to know how I did this and what I did to achieve this look, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, my package came via UPS, and this wig is from Evawigs.com, and this is their new sleek packaging, which I absolutely love. So inside my package, of course, I get my wig, a user's manual, 2 wig caps, a comb that has Evawigs logo on it, and also some bobby pins. Okay, you guys, so this is the wig straight out of the package. It does have 3 combs around the perimeter, and it has 1 comb in the back along with adjustable straps. Now I must say that this is a 360 wig, meaning it has lace all the way around, and this is a kinky straight unit. It is natural black with bleach knots. The length is 22 inches. The hair density is 100% medium. Of course, the hairline is pre-plucked, and the cap size that I have is average. And you guys, if you check out the description box, you'll see all of that information plus more coupon codes and everything down below in the description box. So please be sure to check that out because you might want to save some money on this unit. So you guys already know the drill. This is what I'm doing right now to the wig. I already cut off the lace, and I'm just making my cap the same color as my skin just so it can blend a lot more. So I will be sharing with you guys how I got this wig to blend in a little more, but first I'm going to show you here how I cut the lace on my head as close to the hair as possible. You don't want to have a lot of lace showing with this particular wig in this particular texture because it will not look realistic at all. So all you see is me just cutting more of that lace off just to get it to look more realistic, and so you just do not see any lace whatsoever. And I did put more powder on so it can blend in and look a lot more like my scalp. So here I'm just putting in some oils just to tame this wig. Now the hair and the texture is beautiful, but it was a little too much hair for me. It was way too thick, so I went in with my flat iron, and I just I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like once the first side is flat iron, and then I'll be back.
Why? How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash else, I just wanted him to lose you. Now it's like damn, puffing on the bush at Uncle Sam's. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now. Red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone. Falling and I'm a whip, yeah. Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something's wrong with the way, and I don't know why.
So to get this wig to look even more realistic, I went in with my powder foundation that matches my skin tone and just added it to the parting space that I created. And then I went in with my hot comb that does not work well, by the way. This hot comb is so crappy. I wish that I could send it back. But anyway, yeah, I went in with my hot comb just to try to flatten out the parting space just a little more because I was just, I wanted to try something different. I wanted to see if it'll work other than my curling one, which I should have used. But anyway, it did the job a little bit. It made it look, a lot flatter. And I also wanted to show you guys that you can if you want to create baby hairs. So it's not like it's impossible. I just did not want any baby hairs with this unit. I wanted it to just look like it was coming out of my scalp. And yeah, I think I achieved that look. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section, and of course I will respond to you as always. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, because you're not going to want to miss the styling video that I'm going to do next, which will be probably in about a couple of weeks. So just be on the lookout for that. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie?